Do you want to have two time zones on your iPhone lock screen? It's real easy to do. So all you have to do is open up your phone and swipe from the top left-hand corner. That way this brings you to your lock screen. And go ahead and click and hold anywhere on the phone. And from here, go ahead and hit customize. As you see, now you have some editable boxes here, and we're just going to go ahead and add a widget. So from here, you want to scroll down until you find where it says clock. Go ahead and hit clock. You have a couple options here, but you just want to pick city digital. I'm going to pick this one here. And as you see, it pops up on the lock screen. Now, if you want to change this time zone to something else, go ahead and click on that time. And you'll have a lot of options here. So we can just go through and pick something here. I'm going to pick Barcelona, Spain. And go ahead and hit the X mark here. And you can still go ahead and edit this area here. So go ahead and you can move this widget box around if you want. But that's it. Really simple and real easy to go ahead and have two different time zones. And once you're done, go ahead and hit done at the top right-hand corner. And then that's it. From this point forward, you're going to have your own time zone, but then the other one that you chose. And it also lets you know how far behind or ahead you are from that current time zone. And that's it.